Which woman be this? This one be like Angelo. Hey! Okay now. Hello, pretty woman. How are you?
Hello, fine.
Pretty woman. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Such a beautiful woman, eh?
Really? Thank
Yeah.
you.
You are endowed.
Thank you.
You look like someone I know somewhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I think I've met you somewhere before.
Well, I
something
don't
like
know
that.
you.
Please, I need to have a chat with you. Can you please come in, please?
You're a stranger.
Not to worry. You are, okay, sorry, I'm coming.
How can
Yeah,
I come
no,
in
okay,
your
I'm
car?
coming. I'm coming. Yeah?
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm all right.
My name is Buckingham Daddy. And you? Yeah.
My name is Tia.
Oh, what a beautiful name.
Thank you.
Yeah, you look like someone I know, even if at that.
Yeah?
I like you.
I don't know you.
Yeah, but I like you. You are a pretty woman.
Thank
You know, men and man can meet somehow, somewhere. You know, understand that?
Well,
Yeah. So, can I have your number, please?
just like that?
Yeah, don't worry. I just need to be calling you as a friend. We have a chat. From there on, we might develop interest for each other.
Okay.
Thank you. This is my phone. Thank you. What do you say that name is again?
Tia.
Tia. Beautiful name. T-I.
Why?
Okay. I will call you.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Beautiful woman. Oh, can I lift you to where you're going?
Oh, no.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. This one a big fish. Oh. I catch a big fish. Thank God for today. This one a beautiful woman.
Buckingham Daddy.
Queen.
How are you?
I'm fine. Oh.
How did you come home so late today?
See the traffic on the way today is too much.
Which traffic again?
Yeah. The traffic is too much. If you see how we go and stuck inside that tunnel, if you see the tunnel, everywhere is blocked.
Buckingham Daddy.
Blackfriars Tunnel. The traffic is too much. I beg, hungry they wire me, bad.
What do you want to eat?
Just find me something to eat. May I go off my clothes and they come.
Buckingham Daddy. It's okay. I'll get you something. Let me quickly finish what I'm doing. Buckingham Daddy! Was that a flash? Buckingham Daddy! Somebody's really calling! Buckingham Daddy! New love. Hello?
are you calling me?
Your phone has been ringing. So,
My phone?
Yes, I was calling you to come and pick up your phone.
Ah.
Okay, Daddy, who is New Love? I picked up, the person did not talk. So you have not stopped this thing that you have been doing. I left this country, I went to Nigeria thinking that you're going to stop all this rubbish. And you still have not stopped.
Will you stop all this nonsense? You picked my call. You picked my call, Queen. Why do you pick my call?
Okay, Daddy, who is New Love?
What do you mean, who is the new love? What do you mean, who is new love? In the first instance, why will you pick my call? Why will you pick my call?
So this is all you have to say.
Is this your phone? What do you mean, who is the new love? You are crying and shedding a crocodile tears. Say who is the new love? If anybody come in now and they see you shedding tears, they will say I did something bad to you.
So you haven't done anything bad?
I leave my phone on the table here. What is your business to go and pick my phone? When they ask me, say who is the new love? This one where they shed a crocodile tear, it doesn't see. This one doesn't do anything to me. Oh. Stop picking my phone. In the first place, you left me all this while. You go to Nigeria. You just come back now. Come they pull trouble with me.
And you're not the one begging me to come back, okay, I'm Daddy.
And so, if I beg you to come back to me, did I beg you to pick up my phone? I beg, I don't get time for all this nonsense. Waiting.
Where is Buckingham Daddy now? I thought you said he's coming down.
He's coming. I don't know where he's going upstairs. I'm just tired.
Mr. Johnson. How are you?
I'm fine now.
This one where I see you this afternoon, so I just the rest upstairs. How's your wife?
Fine. I don't do here since. Say they come down.
But you not call me say you they come.
Waiting carry me come dey different.
Waiting happen.
Your wife. Not be say he report you. He no report you to me. But he tell me, say, see wetin dey happen for the house. And me, I not dey happy.
And that one not be report.
Well, anything where you feel call him anything where you like. But I no want make you take and say he dey report you. Give
so
me.
you dey go report me to my friend.
Not be as it happen. In talk say you don't dey cheat on her, make I put her that way.
What did she mean by that? She don't tell you what did she do. I put my phone down on table. She dey go check my phone. They go search inside my phone. What did she dey look for inside my phone?
It says New Love when the phone was ringing.
What did concern you now your phone?
But whose number did you save with New Love?
That is not your
Buckingham
problem.
Daddy, calm down.
That one not supposed to be your problem.
Make you calm down.
Now my phone.
Now your phone. But wetin we dey talk now? Say now this kind of life now
Your
give.
phone, but I'm your wife.
Now this thing wey you do now, you make am come out for your house, go back to Nigeria. And I know as you suffer, they beg me make I call and come back. I don't help you beg am now, you don't come back. Yeah, you don't want change for that kind of lifestyle. And me, I dey try to tell you now, they talk say he touch your phone, he pick your phone.
So now the thing where you two want talk with that.
No, you not just come make I come settle now.
See,
my own.
Me, I'm the typical African man.
So
I'm the typical African man.
So
and I have my own right over my phone or anything wey belong to me. Not be woman go come tell me how I go do my I go live my life. Wetin she find go inside my phone? You no tell am that true. She can't call you. It be like say you have nothing tangible to do. That is why you dey come they talk this kind of thing.
Okay, Daddy, your phone was on the table. Did I enter your pocket and take your phone out?
If it is on table now your phone.
But it was ringing. Have I done wrong by picking your call?
Okay, keep quiet. You done wrong. You've done wrong. You have no right to pick my phone.
okay, Daddy say I not get work to do.
If you get a better job to do, this one go come call you say make you come dey talk about ordinary phone issue. Wetin?
But na that phone issue won't break your home, so the home they scatter. Fire they burn, oh.
Which fire dey burn?
Fire they burn for your house.
Abeg,
oh.
I don't get time for this nonsense. Abeg, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Mr. Johnson, please, I'm very, very sorry. I'm really, truly sorry. Just count it as if I'm the one that, caused all this. I'm so sorry.
So Buckingham can talk to me like this.
I'm so sorry.
He say me not get job.
I'm so
Now
sorry.
he make me come in house. Come they talk anyhow.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please.
It's alright, no problem.
I'm sorry. Please. That's what I'm dealing with.
What took you so long?
Abeg, don't be annoyed. You see those our friends. When we meet at that joint like this, everybody want to be gisting. We are just talking generally, and at that place at times some contract used to come that we just used to do that will bring money.
Because you took so long.
That is why. Sorry,
Because
my
I've
dear.
been missing you.
And when I see that time is going, I just tell them that, look, I've missed my darling. I'm going home.
I was wondering.
Sorry about that.
It's alright. So when are we going to Italy?
I'm thinking that your phone is ringing.
This is my sister.
Eh?
Hello, auntie. I'm fine. I'm at home. Yes. Oh, the burial. Grandma's burial. Oh, we want to turn grandma's back over. A fẹ́ yẹ yín òkú padà. Because I didn't even get to meet grandma self. So how much is my own? Auntie, 30,000 is too much. Oh. Where will I get that from? Anyway, we talk about it. Thank God my darling is home. Yeah, my dear is at home. Yes, I will call you later. Okay, auntie. Okay, bye-bye. Sweetheart,
Waiting.
that was my auntie.
You tell me like that.
We're planning to turn my grandma's back over. You know when you get a great grandma that died long time ago, even before you were born, they tend to turn their back over. So that's the party we are going to do now.
Hey, you these people, you are just amazing me. Did your grandma in the grave get a backache?
Yeah, that's how they do. Yes,
They are
always
turning
turn
your
their
grandma back.
Yeah, they will turn it over.
Even the grandma that you didn't even grow up
No,
to
you
know.
don't have to know the grandma.
So when you reach another,
Yes.
another year now,
Yeah.
they will turn the neck again.
No, not the neck. Back.
Only
They always
back.
turn the back over.
What of the neck?
No, they don't turn the neck.
All this kind of life, people don't do all these things anymore.
Sweetheart, we have to do it.
Why?
Thank God I have you. You know.
So you have me, and the grandma that you didn't know, you have not even met her. They want to turn her back.
That doesn't matter. Just forget.
So if they do that for your grandma, what will they do for your mommy?
That one, when we get to the bridge, we cross it. We're talking about grandma now.
So what are we now talking about now?
That's what you should have asked me now.
Because I don't understand.
Why are you angry?
So what did they say about it now?
We only have to contribute, and my own share of the contribution, if you give me like, let me say maybe 3,000, 4,000 pounds, that will be,
I beg. How much?
Calm down now.
3,000, 4,000 pounds.
Yeah, your own contribution.
Now land we won't buy.
No, we can't buy land yet.
Remove leg first. Remove leg. I beg.
You started again. Daddy.
What till you they talk?
What is your problem? Calm down.
4,000.
Is it enough? Is it too much?
No wonder you are saying 30,000 something. So now pounds you they talk. No be 10,000, 30,000 naira.
What for? What?
Pounds.
30,000 naira. Stop joking. We're talking about my grandma here.
But wait, Even my wife wey born children for me,
That's
I
your
never
wife.
give her this kind of money.
Please. When you talk, I'm different from your wife. Eh?
You are
Don't
different.
talk about your wife. Please.
So now be say I will come. You know the job I'm doing now.
So,
I'm just ordinary security man.
oh, please. It's ordinary security. You've been taking care of me. Look at me.
Uh-huh.
Look at me.
If-
Is the money not showing on me?
What of the ones I've been doing for you?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I
And
give
you've been trying your best.
last month. I just gave you how much? Say £500. You say you want to change your wardrobe.
Just 500. You listen to yourself.
2 weeks
500.
after, you say you want to change your makeup.
Oh, please stop counting.
You collect £300 from me.
Stop counting now. You started again.
What do you mean? Leave my neck.
Hello? Sweetheart?
Eh?
Hello? Darling. I'll call you back later, okay? Okay? I'm in a meeting. I will call you back. Yes, I was saying.
Wait.
What happened?
Wait, oh. When have I turned to board of director that you are doing meeting with?
No, you know.
You are
have
in
to
the
be
meeting and you are calling
diplomatic.
somebody sweetheart. Darling, you will call that person back.
You can call anyone sweetheart now. What's your problem? Stop being hot. You are too hot. You need.
I beg, leave my neck.
Is it because of the
Leave
money?
my. Wait, oh, Tia, are you on a show?
Call it whatever. I don't know. I don't know what you call Oloso or whatever. That's your own.
So you are Gbele Pawo?
Let's talk about the money.
You are Gbele Pawo, Tia?
Gbele Pawo? What does that mean?
Olosho? You don't know Olosho?
I don't know what you.
You don't know Gbele Pawo?
Gbele Pawo.
You don't know prostitution?
They don't call it prostitution.
So what is that?
You have to funkify it. It's
Funk-
not prostitution. Where are you from?
See, I don't.
Where are you from?
Wait. The person that have my children for me
Oh, please.
did not give me all this.
You are not
you
in
want
your
to?
house. This is my house. If you know you can't abide to the rules, the door is open. Okay?
So
if you know you're not giving me the money, don't sit here and insult me. Because
Okay.
it's not prostitution, we call it.
Okay, I don't enter one chance now.
You can enter 10 chances. It's your problem. If you know you can't give me the money, yeah, please.
And because of you, I pack away from my wife. Come stay with you.
Then pack back. Because I don't want any wretched man
See,
in my life.
all this nonsense you are doing with me, I don't have time for this. I'm going inside.
better.
Wait till all this one.
You had
Nonsense.
me right. You had me
I'll pass
right.
£4,000. Can't give you. Say what happened.
How much is 4,000? How much is 4,000? Just a mere change. Oh, let me call my darling back. Oh.
But what is the problem now? What did happen? What in my bag they do here?
Don't you get it?
Is this not my bag?
You leaving today.
Eh?
You are leaving my house today.
Tia,
It's been 2 days.
You are
You've been
sending me packing.
promising. You call me Olocho, you go call me prostitute, you call me this and that. No money is coming in. Eh? Where is the money?
but Tia, I've already told you that I didn't have all this money that you are asking for. All the money I've been working for is you I'm spending it on.
So I need another money for the turning back of my grandma.
Where do you expect me to get £4,000?
Well, whatever. I don't want you here again. Now go.
Is that why you are sending me packing?
Oh yes. You gotta go. Another person is coming in. You say you are a security guy. Security guy that are well paid.
And so
Another security man is coming in.
So I should be spending everything on you.
Of
What
course.
of my wife that have children for
Forget
me?
about your wife.
And my children?
Don't talk about that here.
Huh?
I don't care.
You say I'm calling you Olosho, I'm calling you that.
Yes.
What of you that you are receiving call at my site and you are saying, darling, sweetheart. What about that?
But you can't bring the money. I need to get the money from somewhere.
So is that why you are treating me like this? So you
gotta
want to
go.
send me out?
You're taking too long.
Tia, okay.
Out of my house.
You will cry for this thing
I
that
can't
you want
cry.
to do.
I can't cry.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
You are sending me packing?
Yes.
Okay.
Go.
No problem.
My security guard that has money will come in.
Here's your drink, my dear.
Darling, thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just busy checking my
Phone.
phone.
Now this phone now. Now the phone problem.
What can I do?
Everybody, phone.
You know one thing, one thing about you that you have just known me in and out.
Ah.
You
Hey.
just brought my usual
Hey.
my friend.
Oh.
Hello, Buckingham daddy.
Hello, Mr. Johnson.
This is where they call me. Share no problem. Oh.
I beg, problem dey o. This, you can imagine. Tia don send me packing o.
Huh? What
Tia
happened?
sent me packing from my house o.
Wetin happen?
I beg, save my life o. This woman, she just received phone call from her auntie. Say their grandma, we they don't even know. Say they want turn her back from grave. They want turn her dead body back. So they say everything na 30-something thousand pounds.
For waiting.
My own party na 4,000 pounds I go break.
For waiting now. Waiting doing back for grave.
I don't know.
Wahala dey o. You sure say they no just want take you make money?
I don't know. Imagine this woman when they say now because of I leave my wife. Now I fight with queen. Come see what she want to do. She come to do to me. She send me back and she don't push me out from her house.
This na from frying pan to fire. How you go call?
Mr. Johnson, I beg you go help me follow me go beg queen. I beg.
Who?
I don't get where I go sleep. I may I come squat for your house.
Well, hang on first. Okay, daddy dey talk.
Hello, Buckingham daddy.
Come front. How are you? I don't know say you did here.
Are they here?
I beg help me talk to your husband. Make him follow me go.
Give me one good reason where I go help you tell my husband, say, make he follow you, go beg your wife. This my husband, when you drive, come out for your house, say, you no get job. Now he won't follow you. He's not jobless anymore. He got job now. You understand?
I beg, but for
You be, as you, sorry to say, you be fool. Don't be sad they abuse you, but you be fool. You leave your wife wey get children for you. You say you see one lady, when they come here, you follow am. As you follow am go now, see the result. You think say that one go take it, the thing where your wife they take, you think say he go take her from you. You think say that one he take her from you. No, nothing where they free for this life. The devil where you know, you know better pass the devil where you don't know. Now question they ask you. I beg, I don't want
give me
to
my
make you
phone.
come up for us, Daddy. Make you
Not
take.
you, give me. Hello, Buckingham daddy.
I beg, see your wife they abuse me.
Yeah, wetin happen? You want fight my wife again? You want fight my wife?
Fight am now. I say I dey beg you, make you follow me go beg queen.
Hey, the time when I come beg you, when I come your house, they come they make peace. Not be you say I no get work to do. You forget.
Forget about that one. Now that one don't pass.
He don't give you bill now. You know what? Go pay tithe now. Go give her. Not be 4,000. Go give her 4,000.
Mr. Johnson, you no do like this now. You be man now.
You don't they talk like better person now. The other day when I call your house, not be so your voice be oh, you walk, come out for house, leave only me and your wife for parlor. I turn bad man that day. Now.
Okay, I beg, please.
Okay, we go see how it go. My wife not there happy with you. Even me, I'm not there happy with you too. But as it don't reach like this, I don't know as it go be. Oh.
I take God beg you, my friend. You be my only friend now.
Yeah? Okay, no problem. No problem. I don't hear you.
Where we go meet now? May I come your house?
No reach my house. Oh. My wife say no one see you. Say you abuse me
Because
that
I
day.
not get where I go put my bag.
We go meet for road. I go carry you, we go house together, go beg am. No come my house, I beg.
Okay, I beg. I will wait for you for that our junction.
I go come there. Yeah?
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Queen,
Queen, look at me now.
Please now. Eh?
I know you're still angry. Listen, it's because of you that I'm here. Your husband told me everything. Please, just forgive me. You can see we are all human. It happens at times.
Mr. Johnson, how long am I going to keep enduring? How long am I going to keep tolerating this bad and frustrating?
Please, take him in. Please.
Mr. Johnson, how long am I going to keep enduring this? How long am I going to keep tolerating this bad and frustrating behavior from Buckingham Daddy? At the end of the day, you were the one that kept calling me whilst I was in Nigeria. This was the only reason I had to go to Nigeria to give myself some kind of peace of mind before I run mad.
Listen,
And I came back and it still has not changed.
I understand where you're coming from, but
What do you want me to do?
things,
What?
Things happen. But what we are saying here is just to make peace. Me, I never in my life think that this will happen again. But it has happened.
Please now.
What can we do?
But he doesn't even see anything wrong in what he has done.
No,
He's still accusing me that why must I pick up the phone?
no,
Is that the solution to things?
it's not the issue. Now he has realized his mistakes. He overreacted. I told him now. You know, it's my. I don't hide my feelings. I told him. I said, "Look, man, you overreacted." That is why he asked me to come. Even me, you know, he insulted me. He said I don't have a job. That is why I come to his house. That I should go. But I don't even mind all that. It's just for this peace to reign. Please.
Please,
Just forgive
Queen.
him.
Only if you promise that it's going to change, Mr. Johnson.
Please
I am
now.
not going to keep doing this. I am too young for all these things. Only if a promise is going to change. Buckingham Daddy, are you ready to change?
Yes. I promise I will change.
Say it's like you mean it now.
I say it now. I say I will change.
He will change.
I will change.
At least you've had him.
Please.
I know he will change.
Queen. My queen. My please now. Queen. Eh?
Queenie.
Queenie.
He's begging you. He's begging you.
Queenie. Sorry. Queen. My queen, eh? Sorry.
Queenie.
Okay. Sorry.
Hey,
Queenie, my queen.
Hi, and thank you for watching Buckingham Daddy on CINECROMA Entertainment TV. Kindly watch, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You know the channel. It is CINECROMA Entertainment TV. Because that's the only way you get to support us. Thank you for watching all our programs, and we'll see you on the next show.
Hey, CINECROMA Entertainment Television, Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Africa money, you know the free at all for engine, for invent, na Africa blood. Buckingham Daddy, Abiala. Buckingham Daddy today.